Hello and happy Wednesday, everyone. Congratulations on being in day 3 of Unit 1. I've seen some really awesome discussions already taking place between you guys, and I've received some really good, really well done and thought out journal entries. So thank you for that. For those of you who have not yet started the assignments or the content, I did want to show you that if you click over here to Unit 1, this is where you will be able to find everything. So this week we have a discussion board, an interactive exercise, and a journal entry that will all be counting as grades for Unit 1. Those are going to be due by Sunday at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Time. However, going forward, I do want to note that your discussion boards will be due on Wednesdays at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Time. So as far as these discussion boards and the journal entries go, please just make sure that when you are answering those, that you do answer all of the questions and or prompts that are there in order to receive full credit on the assignment. If you get those posted early, it gives me an opportunity to take a look at them, and then I can reach out to you if there is any content that is missing. But like I said, for the most part, what I'm seeing, you guys have done an excellent job of making sure to answer everything that's in there. If you do have any questions going forward about when things are due, what exactly the rubric is asking for, or really anything in general, please don't hesitate to reach out. I just encourage you over these 8 weeks, this is going to be kind of fast paced. So email me, text me, ask me questions in the Ask the Instructor, which actually let me show you where that is. Right over here, and I will get back to you within 24 hours. So congratulations. I hope you have a great rest of your week, and I will be reaching back out to you guys on Saturday. Have a good one. Bye-bye.